In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Handling this process effectively can streamline your financial management and ensure that your accounts are accurate and up to date. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look for the New button, which is your gateway to a host of operations. Once you've clicked on that, you'll need to select Credit Memo from the drop-down menu. This options menu is crucial as it houses several financial management tools, but today, our focus is on the Credit Memo. Next, it's time to input the necessary details. Begin with identifying the customer for whom you're creating the credit memo. Accurate customer information ensures that your credit adjustments are applied correctly. Once you've selected the customer, you'll proceed to fill in the category and amount of the credit. This is an essential part of the process because it dictates how the credit will impact their overall balance and which accounts it's associated with. Now, let's move on to navigating through your sales records. On the left-hand side panel of your QuickBooks interface, you'll find the Sales section. Click on it and then head over to the Customers tab. This page will display all your customers in one convenient list, including the one for whom you've just created the credit memo. This list is not only useful for viewing customer details, but also for managing transactions efficiently. With your list of customers visible, the next step is to click on the Receive Payment button next to your selected customer. Bringing up this payment window is crucial because it allows you to manage financial interactions with precision. Within this window, you'll see a list of outstanding invoices. The task at hand is to select both the invoice and the credit memo. Doing so will apply the credit memo to the total open balances and reduce the amount owed by the customer. It's a powerful way to ensure that your bookkeeping reflects all necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you've not only adjusted the customer's balance, but also ensured that your financial records are accurate. Regularly managing your credits and invoices in this way can lead to more efficient financial oversight and better cash flow management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave your comments and any additional questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials and tips. Until next time, keep your finances in check and happy bookkeeping.